Don't change yourself, change the game. I want the girls to know Halima took one for the team. I felt great pressure being the first Muslim hijab-wearing model in the industry, and I got to a place where I was so far removed from my own image, and my hijab kept shrinking.
I understand why you left the fashion industry, and I'm surprised more models have not been vocal about it, because there's been a lot of abuse and a lot of, I would say, disrespect.
I've been asked by a stylist if I could wear a cutout dress, and we had a whole argument about it because I told them that I wasn't willing to wear something so revealing.
What did you think about that?
I think it's outrageous. That really angers me. It's embarrassing to be a part of a business that has such outrageously antiquated ideas.
This is another reason why there needs to be diversity with the makeup crew, the hair stylists, and so it's not just about having a diverse catwalk. I was on a shoot once and there was another Muslim hijab wearing girl, and so they gave me my box and they told her to go find a bathroom to change in. And so when I saw that we weren't being treated equally, like, that never sat well with me.
I totally understand that. And even though I'm disappointed you left the industry, I understand it completely.
Do you think it was a wake-up call for the industry?
I do. I think it was a wake-up call for the industry, and I'm surprised more models have not been vocal about it, because there's been a lot of abuse and a lot of, I would say, disrespect.
My question to Tommy Hilfiger is if you're educating your staff and casting directors as to what diversity really is.
I've had, I would say, knockdown, drag-out fights with casting directors who have told me that this girl doesn't belong on our runway for certain reasons. And I have said, look, you work for me, we're doing what I want to do.
Good for you.
So with my teams, I make sure that we are equally as diverse and inclusive behind the scenes as we are in front of the lines. My hope is that the entire industry changes. And I know that I cannot affect that change alone. It has to run like a river through the entire company.
Don't change yourself, change the game. You know, I sacrificed my career so that they could feel comfortable to speak up in any setting.